In this video, I will be showing you how to get a free $50 funded account to trade Forex. The best part about this bonus is that it's a real account that you can withdraw from after trading with it. And this bonus is available in almost all countries in the world. So whether you are from Nigeria, United Kingdom, India, Kenya, United States, Pakistan, Cameroon, or any part of the world, this bonus is available to you. Also, you don't need to verify any of your KYC documents before getting this free funded account. I will be explaining in details the steps I followed before I was able to get this real funded account. So make sure to watch this video to end and follow the exact same procedures I will be sharing with you in this video to get yours. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell icon to stay updated on our latest post. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for sticking around. Don't forget to hit that like button as it encourages our team to make more informative and educative videos like this one. And without any further delay, let's get started. First things first, I will be leaving this link to the website in the description box of this video. And when you click on that link, you will be redirected to this page I'm currently in. Now, start by filling basic information about yourself in the appropriate field. Make sure that all information are correct and active. I will be fast with this process so that we can quickly jump into the next step. Once done, tick the box that confirms you're not a robot, and select the right images for the verification to be completed before clicking the sign up button below. You will be redirected to your dashboard after successfully registering on their platform. But this is just the beginning of claiming this $50. Make sure to watch this video to the end and follow these steps carefully. This is exactly how your dashboard will look like after you're redirected to your dashboard for the first time. There are a whole bunch of information right here, but I will cover the most important ones you need to know, especially the free $50 from this website. As you can see right here, this account is not yet verified, and this is just to prove that you can get this free $50 without any KYC documents verification. So let's proceed to getting this bonus as soon as possible. To get this bonus, click on the 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen. A new menu will slide out. Now search for a No Deposit Bonus button in the menu area, which is this one right here. Click on the button to proceed to the next step. Now this is where everything becomes juicy.
Yeah, boy.
For you to get this free $50, you need to create a No Deposit Bonus account by clicking on the Create Account button displayed here. After clicking on that button, the free $50 will be credited to your balance automatically. Not only that, you will also receive a notification at the top of your screen that you have successfully created your No Deposit Bonus account. And when you look below this notification, you will also find your trading account ID, your balance of $50, and the password to log in to your MetaTrader 5 account. That's not all. An email will be sent to you with your credentials to log in to your MT5 app. This email also includes the trading server you are to connect to. Now go over to your email account and search for a new message from Mekness. The message would look like this one displayed on my screen. Next step is to open the message, and you'll find some credentials in the body of the message. The first information right here is your MetaTrader 5 login ID, followed by your MetaTrader 5 login password. Next is your investor's password, followed by your account currency, and finally, your trading server. Before I proceed with the video, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to stay updated on our future videos. Now, for you to log into your MT5 account, you need to copy this trading ID and your trading password to your clipboard. Make sure to take note of your trading server, as this is crucial for a successful login. Now, on your MT5 app, click on the plus icon at the top of your screen. On this interface, type in the trading server into the search bar and wait for the search results. Click on the Mekness Broker it found and proceed with typing your login credentials into the appropriate fields. After typing your login details, click on the login button below and you will be logged into your account. As you can see, I've successfully logged into my account. And when you pay close attention to the other accounts on my screen, you will notice that they are demo accounts. But for today's video, this account is actually a real account. Now, I will be placing a trade on this account, just to show you that you can actually place trades on this bonus account. First of all, I'll reduce my lot size to 0.01 and then agree to their terms and conditions. And that's it. My trade has been placed using this free bonus from Mekness. After meeting the requirements for this bonus account, you can come back to the dashboard to verify your identity by clicking on the Upload Your Documents button right here. When you click on this National ID button, you will see the types of documents you can use for identity verification and address verification. And you can cash out through this withdraw button, or if you have any issues, then you can contact the support team. Now let's review the terms and conditions of this bonus, which states that new clients will receive a $50 bonus upon successful account creation and verification. The bonus allows clients to begin trading without the need for an initial deposit. 2. Account growth requirement. To qualify for further benefits, clients must grow their account balance to $1,000 using the $50 no deposit bonus. 3. Credit offer. Once the account reaches $1,000, clients will receive an additional $50 credited to their trading account. 4. Withdrawal conditions. To withdraw any profits earned, clients are required to deposit a minimum of $50 of their own funds into the trading account. Thanks for watching till the end. Kindly hit that like button and activate the bell icon to never miss an update from us. See you on our next video. Take care.